Hello traders, in my last video I showed you on how you can make money by copying other traders, but in today's video guys, I'll show you on how you can get copied by other traders and make money. You see, the more people copy your trades, the more money you'll be making. Let me show you how much you can make. You see, all of these traders are doing the same thing. They let other traders copy their trades, and by doing so they make money. For example, if we take this one, he has about 174 traders copying his trades, and he charges each trader a commission of 15% on the total amount that they made copying his trades. So let's assume that each trader out of those 174 traders makes about $30 each week copying this trader's trades, and this trader will take a commission of 15%, of which is $4.5, and there are 174 traders copying this trader. Let's multiply that amount by 174. You see, this trader will get a commission of $783 each week, assuming that each of these 174 traders copying him are making about $30 each week. So if you stick along with this video, I will show you everything so that you can start making money by letting other traders copy your trades. And in return, traders, I would really appreciate if you can like and subscribe. Let's get started. So traders, to get started, you need to sign up on JustForex. Please use the first link in the description below to sign up, and you'll be taken to this page. And by the way, JustForex is a forex broker that I use. It is trusted and regulated by FSA. There's a link in the description of this video that will take you to the review of this broker. So in this page, you just need to click on join as a trader. If you already have an account with JustForex, you can just put in your login email and access password, but if you don't, just click on register. This is when you need to choose the country of your residence, put in your email and create your password. And if you are not a US citizen, you need to click on this box and click on register. And JustForex will send you an email to confirm your registration, and after that you are good to go. You can just log in. I already have an account with JustForex. I will just log in. So after I've logged in, you will need to click on copy trading and then click on trader area. After that, you need to open an MT4 account for investing. Then you need to click on open an account. After that, you need to choose between the standard account or the pro account. The pro account is more popular because it has lower spreads compared to the standard account. But your first deposit on the pro account should be $100 and above. And after that, you can deposit any amount. Whereas on the standard account, the minimum deposit is only $1. Choose any account you prefer, and if you want, you can just open both of them and see which one suits you better. I will create the pro account because I believe it has good trading conditions. You just need to click on open real account. Then you will need to create a trading password. Make sure you write this password somewhere because you will need it to log in on your MetaTrader 4 app. And then click create account. And just like that, our trading account has been created. But one last thing, you will then need to verify your identity and address of residence. You need to click on verify now. You will then need to upload photos of your ID here, and also a photo of a document that shows your full name and your address. You can also upload your bank statement because it shows your full name and your address. And the third thing, if you're going to use a Visa, a MasterCard for deposit and withdrawals, then credit card verification is required for you. Verification in the trading industry is a must, and all brokers require that their clients verify their identification. And JustForex will verify your documents within 24 hours in most cases. And by the way, if you want your login details to MetaTrader 5, you can just click on accounts operation and click on my accounts. You'll then see a list of all the accounts that you have created. This is the one that we have just created, and then we click on here on settings and click on account information. This is where you'll find your MT4 login ID and the server of your MetaTrader 4. As a profitable trader, you can make a lot of money with this copy trading. And if you have anything you want to ask, please ask on the comment section. I'll be very happy to assist you. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for YouTube algorithm. I take my time to make videos like this, and good luck on your trading journey.